If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm happy to introduce you to the Reporter Sling Bag, a Kandou patterns pattern. Let me show you the amazing features of this bag. So it is a sling bag. It can be slung to the left or the right. On the back you have a pocket that has a snap closure here, a nice big one. On the front we have a little swivel clasp here that you can attach your keys to, a slip pocket, easily put your phone in there for easy access, a large zipper pocket here, and then on the inside we have a double zip closure with a very large slip pocket on one side and a small zipper pocket on the other. And you can see she is a fairly deep bag. This is such a fun bag to play around with color blocking and prints. There are so many different things you can do with this bag. It can be made in vinyls, cottons, canvases, leathers, whatever your heart desires, I can make it for you, no problem. So if you are one of my clients and you would like to order one of these, you know what to do. All my information is down below. And if you're part of the Bagmakers community, there's a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, until the next one, bye.